over 50 years, ES Robbins has been dedicated to the research, development, and marketing of high-quality solutions for office, industrial, and food service markets. Located in beautiful Muscle Shoals, Alabama, ES Robbins Corporation is surrounded by serene nature and rich music history. Founded in 1967 by inventor and entrepreneur Edward Stanley Robbins, ES Robbins and its 4 divisions specialize in extruded polymer products. Aleco by ES Robbins is the only source for innovative solutions engineered to conserve energy, increase productivity, and improve worker safety. Proudly made in the USA, Aleco is regarded as a category leader, providing the highest quality product solutions combined with exceptional customer service. Strip doors, impact doors, partitions, pan rack covers, floor protection. As a vertically integrated manufacturer for over 40 years, every facet of our production process is quality controlled from compounding to product fabrication. Our commitment to quality ensures that all products meet rigorous standards to perform in the most demanding applications. Aleco by ES Robbins. Your needs, our solutions.